take a qasam by Allah Almighty, our issues with the Deobandiya are not because of politics in a village, but our issues with the Deobandiya are because of their gustakhi and their blasphemy against Rasulullah. Anyone wants to discuss it rather than making TikTok videos and disparaging our character and calling us out for who we are. If you want to discuss it, then you know where we are. Medan mein aao na. Lekin nahi, you'll find that these people will cower away because they have no answer to what their elders have written. Their elders have written, ma'adallah, that it's better to think of a donkey or an ox in your salah than to think of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Astaghfirullah. The elders have written that it is possible for Allah Almighty Jalla wa Ala to lie, even if He chooses not to lie. The elders have written that Shaitan and Malakul Maut, their knowledge of the unseen is established from Nassul Quran, whereas the knowledge of the unseen of the Prophet is not established from the Quran. Blasphemies upon blasphemies, gustakhya upon gustakhya, and this is the cherry on top of their gustakhya. That Qasim Nanotwin is Tahzirun Nas wrote that if a person came after the Prophet and claimed to be a prophet, ma'adallah, then this will not affect the finality of the prophethood of Rasulullah.